Amanda.
My name is Isaac.
And today we'll be singing Make You Feel My Love by Adele.
When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you an embrace to make you feel like love.
When the evening shadows and the stars appear, there is no one there to dry your tears. I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. I know that from the moment that we met, no doubt in my mind where you belong.
I go hungry, I go back and forth. I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love.
The storms are raging on the rolling seas, and on the highway of regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I can make you happy, make your dreams come true. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you, to make you feel my love, to